Preparation and analysis of pedigree chart. Aim: to study the preparation and analysis of pedigree chart. Materials required: information about characters or traits in a family for more than one generation showing through pedigree chart. Procedure: let us see about pedigree chart. Pedigree analysis. It is a diagram that illustrates how phenotypes of a specific organism or gene and their ancestors change from one generation to the next. It is frequently examined in racehorses, humans, and show dogs. A pedigree is a type of representative chart that displays family data as a diagram or family tree. Let us see the 5 different genetic inheritance and its disorder trough pedigree chart. The 5 different genetic inheritance and its disorder are: 1. Autosomal dominant trait, polydactyl. 2. Autosomal recessive trait, albinism. 3. X-linked dominant trait, oral facial digital syndrome. 4. X-linked recessive trait, hemophilia. 5. Y chromosome linked trait, hypertrichosis. First, let us see about autosomal dominant trait. In autosomal dominant trait, all the 3 conditions, affected father and normal mother, normal father and affected mother, both parents affected, the chance of getting mutated gene from parents to offspring is 50%. Next, let us see about autosomal recessive trait. In autosomal recessive trait, all the 5 conditions, both parent carriers, one parent carrier and normal parent, one parent affected and carrier parent, both affected parents, one affected parent and normal parent, only when the 2 copies of abnormal genes must be present in the offspring to get disease. Following we'll see on X-linked dominant trait. In X-linked dominant trait, the 2 conditions, affected father and normal mother, affected mother and normal father, mutation in the single copy of X gene is enough to cause disease in both males and females. Next, let us observe about X-linked recessive trait. In X-linked recessive trait, the 3 conditions, father affected and normal mother, normal father and carrier mother, affected father and carrier mother, a male carrying one mutated gene in X chromosome. Such males are affected, but females carrying one mutated and one normal gene, they are unaffected. At last, we will look about Y chromosome linked trait. In Y chromosome linked trait, only one condition is applied. Only the males are affected. When the father is affected, the son in next generation is also affected. The genes located on the Y chromosome are affected, so the male shows the disease and passes through them into male offspring. Observation. Students come to know about how to prepare the pedigree chart for disorders, and they can analyze which type of disorder affected different families.